The Museo ni Jesse Robredo in Naga City, Philippines was established as a tribute to the life and legacy of former Naga City Mayor and DILG Secretary Jesse M. Robredo. Inaugurated on August 18, 2017, during Robredo's 5th death anniversary, the museum aims to honor his leadership, good governance, and the tragedy that ended his life. Basilica dates back to 1976 when construction began on this magnificent edifice. It was completed in 1981 and later bestowed the prestigious title of Basilica Minor by the Holy See in 1985. The Metropolitan Cathedral and Parish of St. John the Evangelist, also known as the Naga Metropolitan Cathedral. The first church was established after the creation of the Archdiocese as the Diocese of Nueva Cáceres in 1595. The present cathedral was built in 1808 and was completed as the consecrated in 1843. The San Francisco Church. This church, infirmary, and basement serve as interrogation and torture halls of Filipino who were arrested during the peak of the Filipino-Spanish War in 1898. Kipayo Church. Its origin began with the establishment of the mission in Kipayo in 1578. The Franciscan missionaries erected its church as a visita of Kipayo Church. As the settlement in Calabanga grew, its people signed a petition on April 28, 749, requesting for its transformation into an independent town. The first university in Bicol is the University of Nueva Cáceres, founded in 1948 in Naga City. University of Nueva Cáceres is also considered the first university in southern Luzon. The Universidad de Santa Isabel. It was founded by the Reverend Francisco Gainza in 1868 as the first normal school for women in the Philippines and Southeast Asia. Plaza Quince Martires, located in the center of downtown Naga. It is home to a monument that honors the 15 martyrs of Bicol. It was on January 4, 1897, or barely 5 days after the national hero was executed. Plaza de Nueva Cáceres. This newly built monument in plaza was for the celebration of the 62nd foundation anniversary of the city of Naga in 2010. Plaza de Nueva Cáceres commemorates the history of Naga City.